Hi, this is Sandra. Just another little thing to look out for an exam question. So what I have here is an abstract class. Inside it is an abstract method. So an abstract method, first of all, doesn't have to have, it can't have a body. Its purpose is to be overridden by a child class. And just take that out for a sec, if you have an abstract method, it must be in a class that's also abstract. So that abstract keyword there has to go there. Now, so look out for this. The code below, it doesn't compile. It's the second class there that doesn't compile. How can you fix it? So firstly, if you extend an abstract class, then that abstract method must be overridden. Well, that's one of the things you can do is override it. So in here, I could put in void abstract method, make me type it all, abstract method, and put in a body. That will fix it. So that's one answer, just implement the method. But there's another thing you can do, and that is make this class abstract. Now you're saying that this class doesn't have to implement that method. It's now forcing the child class to implement it. So I'm going to paste in here. So one, the answer is make the subclass abstract, which is what I've done there secondly. Two, implement the method. So the rule is the first concrete class, or the first concrete subclass, the first non-abstract class must implement the method. When I make this class abstract, I'm saying that this exists to provide functionality to all child classes, and now it's the class that extends this class must provide an implementation for that method. So again, to get that abstract keyword, so this code won't compile. What is the solution? Either implement that abstract method in here with the body or make this class abstract. And that's it.